in Kung Fu class. This is Sifu JJ. Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. So this lesson 2, the Leopard Kung Fu style. So follow me now. So today lesson will be quick review of what we did last lesson. Also you get to learning all new content step by step with me like a real class. So be prepared. Let's go. Let's quick review last week what we did the first lesson, right? Step your left and go cross to protect your face. This is the first move, so make sure your stance low and solid, strong, and feet together. Boom, power. And after that, you step your left and go low. Boom. You got the power straight to attack and go boom, kick your left. As soon you land your feet, you go left, right. So left, right, really strong, and you follow by another kick, and you go double strike. All right, so let's quickly introduce what we're going to learning in lesson 2, the Leopard Kung Fu. So the lesson 2, we're learning a lot of blocking movement. The blocking movement like blocking, attack, and blocking, attack, something like that. As I said, this is style of Kung Fu. It's very straightforward, and I mean short and speed like that, right? So you have to know how to get that speed. The key is, so if we want to go fast, you cannot to go a punch and come back and punch again. So all the move you go small, you block and not come back with attack. This is another style. The style is go block and come back. So right, so you go block, so your hand just straight, go attack, and that's it. So you go 1, 2. So something like this. Also, we got to learning some exciting movement, very cool movement for Leopard Kung Fu. So let's see this. So go, you gotta go in learning. See, this is sweep, something and go boom, the kick. Also, you got to learning another kick, the Leopard kick. This is very special kick, and your hand go down, you kick it, boom, like this. So it's a little like the scorpion kick. So the kick going to, you go down, your left hand go down, and you go boom, kick like that. So that's cool. So that's what we're going to learning some content like this. So let's just start the first one. Follow me. As I said, this is a real Kung Fu class. Spend your time, is worth it. So follow me to achieve today Kung Fu. Yes, so the first move, your left blocking, so your both hand become the leopard hand, right? So you go blocking your left side and your right hand straight attack forward. As I said, save your way to be quick, you can. So how? You say your hand to front, just blocking your face, and you go beside this. You don't go too much over, the punch still coming in, and you don't come too short, and then it still get hit. So you have to quicker and but perfect size, just right beside your height. So like this. So even you got hit, so this attack, but that's still safe. So that's how you want to practice. Practice with me a couple times. So you go 1 right there, right? So you say this one straight, the same. Got this 1 and 2. Close your head is possible. 1 and 2. So this is the left side. And same thing, we go right side, right? So you go 1. So you go blocking right here. So even get head, it just stay tight. That's okay. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So this fingertip is really strong. You gotta do little practice. So this right, left, and just practice with me a couple times. Go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and slow down and slow down and slow down and slow down. Perfect. Great work. All right. So let's go to the next one. So once you got 1, 2 this, and you're learning another blocking. The blocking is about to cross your both hand. You sink down, you put down. So what is this for? So if someone boom kick you, you go blocking from top. So let's explaining from this one. This is a little tall. I go a little bit lower. Yeah, doesn't matter. So you both hand. This is someone kick right here, and you just got to go shoot, just blocking down, so blocking. So you go blocking like this, blocking like this. So you go your both hand like this, you see? So your both hand is small but crossing in, and then you go press down. If someone kick you, press down. So that's how you're blocking. And as soon you got blocking the feet, your both hand not come back your waist, as I mentioned, blocking straight, boom, just go there. 1, 2, and that's it. So that's how quick you can go, and then you can fight back, right? So you go blocking, boom, blocking, bar, 1, right? So you go, foo, go, foo. That's it. Don't forget this. this. So if you want to go the fastest speed, no other way. This is no shortcut. This is no other way. So you just have to keep practice, Every time the little bit speed you can increase, and over a week or months you get much faster. You gotta start this slow, but later on you say, next time I gotta be faster. I need to go be faster. So you go 1 and 2. Next time faster. Boom. Next time faster. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So choose the best speed you can. Of course, be safe. Do warm up. You'll be fun. Okay, great work. So let's go next basics. This one spent a little bit more time, but that's where our time spent worse for, and you got some result. I'm guaranteed. Follow me for the back sweep kick. So follow me now. Target. If someone from me, this is someone like, I got to sweep. Okay, just demonstrate again. You see, I push my hand, I go boom. I sweep the things flat away. Definitely gotta kick someone like, and then they're gonna fall, right? That's the only goal. Why we do the sweep, right? Let's figure out the technique. So the first thing you got ready, no matter you go standing or stay low, depends on the situation, right? So once you have to sink down, stay low you can. You say your both hand and put on the floor. There's the first move. And then you gotta stay low as possible. You say this one, you gotta go heel up like this. You rotate by your toes for 360. That have two kind of kick. So another one will be like chua. You can't stay low and then you try get up and you fight. This is another way we're learning from the monkey style. But in the leopard, if you want quick to connect something, not from the floor and get up, you need to get this way. So follow me again. So both hands, 1, heel up, spanning with your toe, and your leg straight. This is stay very low. Your body in center. So how you're spanning? You push the floor. You both hands push the floor. And at the same time, of course, you see your height? Look that way. Your height, look that way, right? All the way around. And that's how leading your whole body rotate. Your hand push harder. So like this. Go. And look back. Push your hand. Go. So that's how the sweep go. Right? So that's look easy, but wasn't easy to training with. Like everything else. I'm not saying this gotta be going too easy, but I asking you to training with me. And from the movement 1 and 2 and 3, you just keep doing. That's just no other way. But you can do it. Follow my step. Alright? So let's do a couple times with me. Got this. Right? So, got ready. So you go stay low. Number 1. And heel up and push. You say your target is behind. Your head gotta be turned around to look that part. And your leg to sweep. Then go. Go. Yep. That is the first move. Even you do just like that, that's just fun. That's just okay. You just gotta keep practice. And with a little bit speed increase, a little bit better technique each time, you can do it. Right? So, got this few more. So go down, heel up, and you gotta sweep the target. Whoa. Yes? Okay. You got this? Alright. So any questions you can leave comment down below. I will answer your question. Will help you anyways to bring you to the level you want. Thank you very much. And we're going to go on the next one. So how you sweep after come back, connect with the spinning kick. That's a really cool combo. It's very useful. Like I just demonstrate. Sweep someone like, no matter how you sweep, and the person lift and neck. What do you got? Then you gotta go boom, kick down. So you gotta to hit the height. We can do this, right? See this. So this is the person's height. This is the person's leg. That's our goal. So we got to sweep. So if this person already got, doesn't matter, boom, you got to make this kick. So now we gotta quickly combine these two, and then we go to the next. Stay your center. We gotta hit the goal. So go right here. As soon you see, you land your both feet like this. Center, very important. If you go too much over, it's very hard to connect the kick. You have to adjust. That's coming from training again. So go sweep, come back to center, and your arm, see, swing, your eye, my eye, come back, look this way. Even sometimes it's really hard, but it's just the way. Once your arm to help you, you say you feel the target. Once you over practice again, over again, you will feel the target. You don't even know, because it's so fast when you're spinning. You don't even know where is the target, but you can hit the target. That's our goal, right? Okay, got this. So you go sweep, got this. I fails. This is 45. In front of me is the target. I don't even need to look. Boom. I need a kick. I don't need to look. I know. Boom. I got to kick. Yeah, that's how we want to be achieved today. So you got this, and your hand rotate. You feel the target. Down. And you got to kick. Practice more and more. So you got sweep, and you go one hand, two look, sweep and kick. Just like that. Okay, so put these two together. Normally, the line is supposed to be straightforward because this is hard to demonstrate. I got this a little bit distance, so you got to go boom, and then mix that, boom, that kick. That's how there's two kicks in the lesson 2. Really keep practice 3 days, 5 days a week. After months, it will be better. After 3 months, you can do much more powerful and speed. All right? Okay, great work. One more kick is so interesting also. It's a little bit like a scorpion kick, but requires a little bit flexibility. So you have a little bit stretching warm up, so don't get injured. That's the main goal. Let's see how to do this one. Boom, sweep and go boom, kick. You say, this target is in front of me, and I have another way. Really just hit the height and shoulder. Really depends how tall is the person. So this is the one I want to hit. So my left hand go down, your toe lift to this way, 45. You stay low. I got to leave. I think this is not so hard because your body depends on your left hand. Your hands push. You just lift your leg to the ceiling. Go high you can and drop down. So that's how is the leopard kick. All right, so say again. So you feel the target right there. So you go left and lift and you kick. Yeah, all right. So this is the sway kicks. Very important in the lesson 2. Need a little bit time to achieve. But I trust you. You can do it. All right, so let's get everything together. This is a real timing class. You got to follow me. You got to try. You got to listening. And after that, you still need to practice. Doesn't mean we're done. We're never done. We never give up. All right, let's start the tutorial step by step for the leopard kung fu. So follow me now. All right, so last move from lesson 1, we go double strike like this way, right? So you go block we already did, and you go quick attack. You block and quick attack. If you have something like this, it will be perfect. So you got practice. You see the speed coming from almost the same time. You go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Even you don't have this, that's no problem. You can just practice. You can have something there. All right, so you go 1 and 2. How your feet work? Does it connect next move? So boom, boom after, and you go boom, block. Remember this, go boom, block. If someone could kick you, boom, block. So your feet work, just move your left leg, go this way, and front and back, and flank and back. You say 1, 2, 3, right? That's it. Okay, just step back like that. So you go left and right, and you go block. Remember the next move, we go straight, boom, strike. How your feet work? Same thing. All you need to do is say move, forward, move, and come in front, move and front, and move and front, and that's it. So you go 1, 2, move back, move forward, right? And that's it. So from the last move, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay, get this again. So go quick, power. That's great. You see how that's powerful once you get focus. Once you follow my step. That's a very good one. So now we got to connect next move. So follow me with a slow motion, right? So we're gonna connect a little bit more. Right? So the last move, lesson 1, all you need to do is say 1, 2, right? And 1 and 2 you got left. After that, you gotta go quick block. You step back, quick block, and quick attack. Like that. So I say target right there. The next move we already know. You go boom, a sweep. So after you go quick sweep, you got this on the center. You got an arm rotate to get boom, a kick, right? So after you got the kick, remember your left hand from the top. You go down, your toe go this way. You see your body like this. So you got to really flexible, a little bit stretching, right? And then you say you got to kick the ceiling, your kick, and down. So that's the lesson 2. Everything about. But not just because you follow me 10 minutes, you didn't really achieve it. And I'm really appreciate your complete the lesson with me. But also, you got to promise me to keep training every single week. 3 days or 5 days a week. Alright, my friend, that's all for today. The lesson 2 of Leopard Kung Fu. As I said before, do what you love. But you have able to love something. You have to good at something. Like you want to good at Kung Fu, you have to pay your time. And you spend your time. If you're good at something, you always enjoy something, and then you will keep your motivation all the time. Thank you very much. I see you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.